Hi, in this lesson you will learn more about CSS modules, how to use edit components, their pros and cons. CSS modules allow you to write styles in CSS files and use them as JavaScript object in your components for additional processing and safety. Also, CSS modules has one important benefit, which most of other approaches doesn't support, and I will tell you about it a bit later. Let's see now how to use CSS modules. To use it, we just need to rename our file and add an additional word module before extension. Now we need to import it as a styles object from the same file, and to use it we will use a styles.container, almost the same as with inline styles, but with more benefits. Okay, let's do the same for specification. Just copy styles and do also for status. Okay. Now we need to add module here. Save page, refresh, and see it works exactly the same. I will do the changes for the other files and you will see an result. I'm already finished. As you see, I also imported the styles in application component and replace it everywhere for the styles app, class name, and for the list divider and list title. And as the same I do for the product list, I rename it with the model board. And also in a component imported this as a styles and use it as a styles.list. And now let's refresh our page. It works exactly the same as we expected. Okay, nice. Now let's talk about pros and cons of CSS modules. They have all the same benefits as have CSS files. Additionally, CSS modules automatically scope styles to the component and they prevent some global style conflicts. This helps to don't overwrite other component styles as we could have this issue in CSS files. Also, class names in CSS modules dynamically generated and unique. I will show you. If we inspect our elements, you will see a bit weird class names for our components. The product list, dash some hash, the same for the product card. It's because CSS modules have unique class names, don't override other styles, and they added the prefix the component name, and also at the end add some hash, which unique and help to have unique class names. CSS modules has also some concerns. They not allow you to apply some dynamic styles based on state or props. As you see here in the product card component, we are not able also pass the background here, so we use it as a style. Also, setup process of CSS modules may require additional configuration in the build process. For example, we need to use Webpack or some other tools, which can add additional complexity to the project setup. But don't worry, for React project created via create React command, it's already pre-configured, so it's only for projects which you write from the scratch. Hope you learned in this lesson more about CSS modules. You now know all the benefits and disadvantages of it, and see you in the next lesson.